so there is set free, where the dead and dumb are shouting, 'cause the blind can finally see, and those crippled legs are dancing across that Christmas Eve. There's a special place in heaven those unborn babies play. They're rocked and armed by mamas whose chances slipped away. All those unwanted children say, "My daddy, he's a king," and there's smiles on all their faces. They spin around and sing. Don't that sound like heaven? Don't that sound like home, where the Son of God is reigning, and our tears are finally gone? Don't that sound like heaven? Don't that sound like home? Darkness there is overtaken by the light that's always on. Rise of heaven, hit its finish line. Don't you worry about the cost. It was paid in full by Jesus, and he hung upon that old cross. All those things that he promised will be there just like he said, and an eternal reminder of the precious blood he shed. Don't that sound like heaven? Don't that sound like home, where the Son of God is reigning, and our cares are finally gone? Don't that sound like heaven? Don't that sound like home? Darkness there it's overtaken by the light that's always on. Darkness there it's overtaken by the light that's always on.
That was very fervent.
Thank you. It took me a few times to sing that song without crying, and I still do, because it touches my heart. You know, when you talk about the unwanted children, crippled legs, deaf and dumb, ain't none of that gonna be up there. None of that. We'll all have a perfect body, right? That's what the Bible teaches.
Children.
So, you know, whoever wrote that song, I think, got a vision to write that song. Think about it. You know, it's a powerful song. There's a lot of powerful songs, but there's just some that God says, I'm going to sing, so I'm going to sing.
We'll show you how some of these musicians play. They do a very good job. I hope they're on key today. I believe they usually are. I have to worry about myself more than I do them. What are you talking about?
Well, last last 2 or 3 Sundays, we've had
Talking
2
about a
Sundays,
chicken song.
Saturday night and Sunday morning. So y'all got us a little bit fresh today. So.
Well, Sunday morning, when the sun is so bright, to the home of God's celestial shore, I'm my way. Oh, I'm my way, oh glory, I'm my way. Sunday morning, when I'm out, hallelujah, I'm my way. sugar up my hand.